Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys this beautiful wig that I got from RPGSHOW. I'm going to actually show you guys the entire wig and me installing it and everything. This wig is so bomb and I can't wait to share the information about this wig. So if you guys are interested, keep watching. Guys, so I'm gonna be applying my wig from RPGSHOW. So in my RPGSHOW wig, it comes in a nice little bag right here. It also has the wig style. So the wig style I have is Crown 011 Silky. The order number is, well, you don't need the order number, but it's Silky. It is 20" and my cap size is size 2. This is a 200% density tinted transparent Swiss lace medium brown. And I also got a nice stocking cap. I always love RPGSHOW's stocking cap that they give you. And they also sent me this really nice little press-on nails. I didn't know they started doing this. This is so cute. You guys can't really see it, but this press-on nails. And also they sent me the edge stick. You guys know I love the edge stick and I love to keep it. And it also has a pamphlet in here that shows you all of their wigs. So I'm going to be applying the wig. I am not going to be gluing this wig down. I am actually going to be doing the glueless method, just because I've been doing that a lot and I absolutely love the glueless method. It is so much better. So let's jump right into it. Move this back a bit. Put the adjustable strap. Ooh, barracuda. Wow. Okay. So I'm just gonna brush this. Oh my gosh, this wig is so nice. I mean, but what's new? RPGSHOW's wig always snaps, so that's that on that. So I am gonna like lay the hair a bit more and probably like cut some layers into it, just because it's like flat and I feel like it needs like some body. But other than that, the wig looks amazing, 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 amazing. So I am gonna pull this back a bit. So I didn't have to bleach the knots. I didn't do anything to this wig. It just came like this. All I did was spray my lace with the tinted lace aerosol spray in light warm brown. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just start the process of laying this wig down. It is kind of really secure, but I want it to be super secure, especially the sides. I want it to be super secured. So let's just do that. Actually gonna use this all as well. Wow, this wig is so nice. Another one of my, I have so many wigs that I love. I don't think I'm ever gonna get rid of them because they're so pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna start cutting the hair. So to make my job so much easier, I'm just gonna go ahead and spray the lace where I want it to go, and then I'll cut after I've sprayed it. So to blend my lace, I ended up using my bronzer around my hairline. I did clean up my edges a bit with alcohol because it was looking crazy. So I just used alcohol to clean out the hairline, and then I used my bronzer to kind of blend my lace with my skin color, and that's what I'm doing here. And then I cut my baby hair and I used my foaming lotion to lay down my baby hair. I'm gonna be using my foam lotion to lay down my baby hair now that I've cut it. I plucked it a bit so it looks much better. I didn't have to pluck it too much. I just need it to look, you know, a little bit more natural. So now I'm just gonna lay the baby hair.
My life in the sunshine. Everybody loves the sunshine. Ooh, the sunshine. Folks get down in the sunshine. Yeah. Sunshine. All the folks get around in the sunshine. I feel these and things and flowers.
So this is how my hair turned out to look. This wig is bomb AF. RPG show always snaps with the wigs. Like, I would never get rid of this wig. I just told my husband, I was like, I'm never getting rid of this wig because this wig is gorgeous. It looks so good. The color looks amazing. I didn't have to do the color. This wig came as is. All I did was literally apply the wig and spray my wig with the tinted lace spray in light warm brown. And I just used the got to be spray method to lay it down. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't dye the hair. I didn't do nothing but apply the wig. And this wig is so freaking beautiful. I did add curls to the front because the curls in the front drop. So I just used I think this is my 1.5 inch barrel curling iron by Hot Tools. I use that to like curl the hair. And it just looks so freaking good. It looks so freaking bomb. I'm gonna link this wig in the description down below if you guys are interested. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
Just these and things and